Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And we do the candlesticks patterns right now. I got a lot of comments and more client giving you such a good feedback about that we are doing the video, so that gives me a great, right? So some of them are making such a impressive move. So they are doing a lot of workout and analysis they are doing on the candlesticks pattern. That gives you um, very happy. Now this video I'm going to show you the doji candle which forms today, that is Tata Consumer Product. uh, Tata Consumer Product Limited, right now it is from a doji candle. So when we do the doji candle, so that will give you the scanner, and if you check that, so using that scan, I will scan that stock which forms a Tata Consumer Product which forms a doji candle. So to look at this doji candle, how I'm going to take a trade. So whenever it breaks the high or breaks the low, so I'm going to take a trade. So this is happening at near about this calendar month highest price. There is a chances where the market is breaking below the level, so we can expect in a downside. The same time we can expect upside also, because the doji is forms an indecisive candle. So that will, whenever the market breaks above or below that level, so we get a confirmation about the trend. So when this doji is going to break below that level, so we can expect downside, and if it is break up, so we will expect in a upside. So the upside move we are expecting for a trend continuation. In a downside move we are expecting for a the reversal trade. So because it is already moves up, so there is a two chances while if you are making the trade based on the doji candle, so you got such a great opportunity, right? And what we have done the first of this month, that was what a September 1, we got only one stock, that is PVR, right? So the stock, how it giving you such a return or profitability. Let's see that that was forming a great doji candle, and I already updated that in my Telegram channel, right? So on 1st of September we find out that is a candle, the doji at bottom as well as doji at top, because that is the first day of the month. Whenever the doji forms, that will be a bottom as well as top, right? So that PVR, how it reacts based on this candlesticks pattern. This is the candlesticks pattern where we are going to take a entry opportunity around 1345. So the 1345 is our entry point, right? With the stop loss below 1318 is our stop loss. What happened? So the next day it opened equal to the high, but it is not moving higher and it moves lower. And the second day we got a trade opportunity 1345, but now today it reaching near about 1400, somewhere around 55 points move, while we are taking a positional trade based on the simple doji candle. I don't know how many of them follow this doji on PVR, because I have updated on my Telegram channel too. So if anyone using that candlesticks pattern, you are making money, that is good, right? So how the option is reacting to that price? Let's go for a 5-minute chart, where exactly the breakout is around 1345. That is happening by 3rd September. Almost first 15 minutes we are not going to take. After that we got a entry around 945. So this is the entry point. We are going to take 1340 call option. That is what naked options we can buy. So let's see what happened on that. In option, if we are going to plan a trade in options, what is the price? 1340 to be the strike price. So we prefer ATM options to trade. That was breakout by yesterday. This is a 15 minutes candle. On 3rd of September, we got an entry around 940. So the second time, I'm not calculating the first 15 minutes entry. So the second time, it reaches around 940. That time, the 1340 call option at 940, somewhere around 68 rupees, right? So where we have the opportunity based on the doji candle. So in option, that is around 68 rupees. After the 68 rupees where we have entered, it coming to the low of 59. Somewhere it moves down by 10 rupees, right? But still the position isn't strong. It is never trigger our stop loss. Still it is a running with a buying mode. But today the PVR started with good and it moves towards 1399, almost 1004. What happened that option from 68 and today it made a high of 103. So where you got a from 70 to 103, 30 points, almost 40% return which generated on within 2 days. You are focusing the candlesticks that is ready to give you such a great amount of money, but we need to have track that what is going on the same, right? The second stock which forms the same thing in Tech Mahindra. Previously we seen the Tech Mahindra on daily candle it forms a doji. That is not this month. I think that is what happening by last month. This is the doji which forms at the topmost level. And again it gives you breakout and it gives you your target also. And this month which forms a doji like on 2nd September, the high 1542. If previously if you are taking entry as 1550, sorry 1450, again it gives you buy opportunity 1452. So if you are holding the position, now you are going to lose just 2 rupees because market is reversed at this point. After that, now market is trading somewhere around 146. Today it made a high of somewhere around 67. From that point, around 15 rupees it increased, and still the position is on. How it giving you profit? Let's go for PVR. So that we already updated on our Telegram channel, that you know very well. So just follow the candlesticks pattern that always giving you such a great opportunity. If you are practicing it out by day, you may be getting such a good kind of trade opportunity. Very easily you can find it out. When any kind of candlesticks pattern, if you find out like this, so such that candlesticks will give you such a great profit, right? So that is the main idea. So where we are going to plan a trade based on the candlesticks pattern, that was giving such a great opportunity. If you are focusing it out, there is a good opportunity where you can plan a trade or we can make a money. And now one of my YouTube follower who followed my videos and he was taken about something polycap. I don't know what happened in polycap. So he was messaging me the option, the polycap option moving 94 to somewhere 180 today. I think such a great move happening in polycap. I don't know what happened on the stocks, but I am not checking that polycap what will happen. Let's go for check the daily basis. There's no this is a spinning top, I think. The polycap which forms a spinning top where it is broken that spinning top 2240 and it moves very big. So whenever you following the candlesticks pattern, let's say go for a previous one. Recently what we are given. These are the things we are focusing for yesterday, and polycap. I think we seen previously I think about polycap. So not today. Go for a check polycap where it is polycap. I think it was followed based on the spinning top. So a lot of spinning top candle and it forms to yesterday. So that broken and it gives you such a great amount of one. And when you check that the polycap is keep on increasing and the momentum is keep on going up. So just straight movement from the low, and there is a candlestick pattern here, side out. So after that it is giving you such a great move, right? So now today Tata Consumer Product, which forms a doji candle, so we can focus for the same stock. Whenever it breaks the high, we can focus for a buy. When it breaks the low, so we can focus for a selling option. That is the good one. So we are using the doji candle, that is giving you such a jackpot options, where from there are 38, 100 and somewhere around 103. 106 is the highest price. Closing price is 103. From 68 to 106. There is a great movement based on the candlesticks pattern. Such a good profit while we are using the candlesticks. We are focusing our candlesticks pattern. So if you are making money using that, I was very happy. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, just kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular notification whenever we meet. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want to learn my paid strategy, you are also welcome and join my paid strategy. The number scrolling on that go top, that is 9047688. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.